Amazon Braket is a fully managed AWS service that helps researchers, scientists, and developers get started with quantum computing. It provides access to a variety of quantum computing hardware and software, including quantum computers. Braket provides access to gate-based quantum computers from IonQ, Oxford Quantum Circuits, Rigetti, and Quera, as well as an analog Hamiltonian simulator from Quera. Simulators. Braket also provides access to a variety of simulators, including the Amazon Braket Simulator, the Penny Lane Simulator, and the Strawberry Fields Simulator. Software. Braket provides a Python SDK that makes it easy to develop and run quantum algorithms. With Braket, you can explore and design quantum and hybrid algorithms, test algorithms on different quantum circuit simulators, run algorithms on different types of quantum computers, create proof of concept applications. Braket is a powerful tool for anyone who wants to get started with quantum computing. It provides a simple and easy-to-use interface to a variety of quantum computing hardware and software, making it possible to explore and develop quantum algorithms without having to worry about the underlying complexity. Here are some of the benefits of using Amazon Braket. Simplicity. Braket provides a simple and easy-to-use interface to quantum computing hardware and software. Flexibility. Braket provides access to a variety of quantum computing hardware and software, so you can choose the best platform for your needs. Scalability. Braket is scalable, so you can easily add more resources as your needs grow. Security. Braket is secure, so you can be confident that your data is protected. If you are interested in getting started with quantum computing, Amazon Braket is a great place to start. It is a powerful and easy-to-use tool that can help you explore and develop quantum algorithms. Here are some of the use cases for Amazon Braket. Drug discovery. Braket can be used to simulate the behavior of molecules, which can help researchers discover new drugs. Material science. Braket can be used to simulate the behavior of materials, which can help researchers develop new materials with desired properties. Finance. Braket can be used to price financial derivatives and to optimize trading strategies. Machine learning. Braket can be used to train machine learning models on quantum data. These are just a few of the many use cases for Amazon Braket. As quantum computing technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more use cases emerge. Thank you. Please subscribe for more topics.